Negative thoughts can have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. In this video, we'll explore 7 effective strategies to help you break free from these harmful patterns and cultivate a more positive mindset. The first step to overcoming negative thoughts is to challenge their validity. Ask yourself if these thoughts are truly accurate and evidence-based. Mindfulness and meditation can help us become more aware of our thoughts and emotions, making it easier to identify and manage negative thinking patterns. Regular physical activity has been shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and boost self-esteem. Exercise can also help distract you from negative thoughts. Spending time in nature has been shown to have a calming and restorative effect on the mind and body. It can help reduce stress and anxiety. Social connection is essential for our mental and emotional well-being. Spending time with loved ones can help boost your mood and reduce feelings of loneliness. Focusing on the positive aspects of your life can help shift your perspective and reduce negative thinking. Practice gratitude by making a list of things you're thankful for each day. If you're struggling with persistent negative thoughts or emotions, seeking professional help can be a valuable tool. A therapist or counselor can provide you with strategies and support to overcome these challenges. Overcoming negative thoughts takes time and effort, but it's possible. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you can cultivate a more positive and fulfilling mindset.